house in Nishichiyoda-cho is a minimal residence located in Shizuoka, Japan, designed by Seiichi Yamada Architect Associates. A stream that was used to transport materials during the construction of the castle flows nearby, but now on the fields where frogs croak remain. With respect for traditional Japanese houses, the architects were trying to build a future Japanese house without falling into nostalgia by renewing the style and tradition with openness and depth as a starting point. Pillars are erected on the outer peripheral surface and connected in the shape of a gable roof. Flat lattice beams are stacked to the left and right to create a beam structure. All of the materials are made of hinoki cypress wood, a native tree in Japan, for cost efficiency. In this way, 4 floors were created, including the dirt floor, in a one-room centered on the staircase, and the framework becomes a frame that floats inside the building like a cloud. 3 layers of vertical walls based on 3 by 6 boards play the roles of drains and windows, and step shadows create the contours of the exterior. When the wall is closed, the people passing in front, the swaying plants, and the water basin are reflected on the silver outer wall and stand out, blurring the existence of the house. A staircase inside connects the floors of each floor vertically, and a small amount of light shining through the framework illuminates the earthen floor. When one wall is opened, something like a dark hole appears on the outside, and a sharp ray of light enters inside. When all the walls are opened, the dirt floor continues to the city, and the light reflected on the water basin flickers on the upper structure. By opening and closing the wall, what can be seen from inside and outside changes. Through this repetition, this house, which symbolizes invisible things on the other side of the wall, is somewhat like a temple. Just as monks open and close fittings in the morning and evening, the realm changes. Now, sit back and please enjoy the rest of the tour. Site drawings at the end. Thanks for staying till the end. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content.